Last Saturday night, Core. Incredible concert. Incredible.
One more time, thank you very much to Ben Howard and the Felice Brothers.
The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't avoid it till you see. I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's called again. Take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me in the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to the sand on my ears. I can see the doors and orphans with my tears. Know my hope despite my faults, despite my growing fears. See the world hanging upside down and understand the dependence and all their makers have. So make your silence call and sing.